Hey guys, so my friend Aiden is over. My dog's so annoying. Oh my
Are you
god.
scared, little bundle of joy?
Go subscribe to her channel, Aiden TG. She's so annoying. We're just reacting to her videos.
Guys, you didn't even start. Hey guys, I'm Aiden TG.
I already told him that.
Well, I'm Aiden TG.
Why do you go like this?
It's just my signal.
Oh.
The signal to peace.
Oh my god, how young were you?
Oh, this is my first video.
Oh.
You could call me crazy in that video. I'm just look at me, look at me.
What the heck? Oh, I didn't even know.
Oh my gosh, look at my doll.
Oh my god. You should give you the middle finger.
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna put the camera right here in front of my squishies. Well, not inside my squishies. Oh my god! You scared me. Hey guys, look what I can do. And I bet you can't even do it. Dude! Look what I can do. No, wait, I can't.
I can go further. Check it out.
Wait, let me try. Go. Wait. I can touch the wall. Oh no, I cannot.
I just gave them this grin. Look. Look at that grin.
Hello.
Oh, I have an idea.
What?
Let's do it at the same time. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, with a smile.
Hello. My smell is horrible, so.
I'm just showing off her booty. My doll's booty. Yeah, all those dolls.
Her butt?
No, I was showing off her dress, but it turned out to.
And I'm actually moving on to my best favorite. My best favorite's her.
I love red.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just staring like. I have a blue cupcake, but no.
I want to show you
It's
my.
purple. Blue cupcake time. Oh my god. I look so tired this way.
Yeah.
I look like I haven't slept in days. I'm tired. Guys, this is what happens when muffins do not want to be eaten. This is what a human will do to them. Ta-da! They will destroy them.
Oh my god.
And then, guess what they will do next?
What the heck are you doing?
Stomping on the muffin. And that is how you destroy the muffin.
Okay, I'm gonna put another video. I love school. I have slime. I only have one slime. I lost all of them. So yeah.
I lost my
Tell me
chicken. I just said I lost my chicken.
You're like, I lost my chicken. Okay, this one you see Emma in it. Look.
Emma Hobus.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Because I'm and I'm gonna make a video of my class. This is just my class.
Shit, I was in love with her brother then.
And this is my friend.
Pretend you didn't hear that.
She's crazy. I hate when she does that. No. Okay, specific.
You're looking at her like you hate her. You're like.
No, she is my enemy right now.
So,
No, before she left the
my
school,
friend.
she
That's
told some mean stuff.
Kind
Oh, was it parent student night?
Yeah.
And that's good. Get over there.
Look, I can do, guys.
Second.
Oh, ouch.
My mommy. Hey, I'm making a YouTube video of my.
Turns out the
Guys, this is
that creepy after all.
okay. Look how cute this video is. Look at my dog in this video.
Hi, guys.
Oh wait, no, she wasn't there yet.
Oh, it's been 5 minutes and 25
Hours. It's been 25 hours. Oh no, this is so cute. Look at this video. Look how cute it is.
Don't you think it's rude that the audience can't see it?
Come on, this.
This dog is a cute little scary bundle of joy.
Oh, look at that big potato.
Potato head.
Who's that?
Yay.
Look at her. Oh. I'm just like, that's a good. Dude, get your freaking fingers out of there. Seriously.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. We're making a
After
YouTube video. We're both YouTubers, so.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
You guys can color if you want. You want to color?
Can we go to DQ?
Not today. Next time she comes, we'll go to the park and DQ, okay? Not today. Mommy's very tired today.
Okay.
Yeah, I
What the heck?
I'm just creeping up on that thing.
Okay, I'm going to the bathroom. Do not do anything weird, or else I will post this.
Aren't you posting it on YouTube anyway?
Yeah, but do not do anything weird, or else I'm posting it.
What?
Ice cream.
What are you doing?
I'm just offering the audience some ice cream.
I put my shoes on for
You're weird. You're talking to nobody. Then there's no audience out there. Ice cream, you give me all.
Wait. Do that again.
Ice cream, you scream me
Oh,
all.
scream. Ice cream.
Oh my god, I actually fell.
Oh, you
Ow, don't fall on me. Fall on the bed.
Well, you were in the house.
My butthole.
Yeah.
That's what you get for hitting me with ice cream.
You're gonna get pimples like these.
Thank you. I'm just taking the slime right. Thank you. Oh god.
This one is
Guys, check out her slime. This is not mine, it's hers.
This one right here who's going crazy.
Oh god,
is the
this
hot
is
dog.
weird.
Because he's thin
Yeah.
and she's thick.
Did you hear her barking?
Oh, it's going.
Going crazy.
I want to touch it. Hey, you just.
Okay, guys, check out this oddly satisfying video. Okay, so I have to put it inside the container for it to be satisfying. Ready, set, go.
You look so funny with your haircut, Rhonda.
Hey.
We both love satisfying video.
You just ruined it.
Oh my. Well, at least I have some slime on me.
Wait.
One sec, let me just smush it up.
Peter
Oh
Bun.
gosh, I have a lot on me.
Wait.
This slime does not stick onto you. I'm nothing. Oh, slime.
Wait, just.
I'm nothing. Oh. Cupcake.
I thought that was your head. I'm like. Wait, guys, this is not clicky at all because I added the wrong lotion. Well, it is clicky, but. You got cupcakes on. I mean, you got slime on my cupcakes.
Thank you. Oh.
They're in the church.
You were gonna say you got a cupcake. Ow.
Oh, sorry. I meant that.
This is going to you. It's going to your
I'm
face.
drinking. It's not orange juice, it's Fanta. I just want to make it.
You're making everybody jealous by drinking that in front of them.
No! Got that in my hair, that would be a big problem.
Yeah, you would walk up and say, yeah, I can't subscribe for a bit. I can't make videos. Yeah, because I got this stick in my hair. I'm so glad.
That's like so sad.
Do you know this is the first time I'm on? Oh dear. This is actually the first time I'm on somebody else's channel.
You're the first person who touched my slime and it wasn't sticking to their hands.
Oh, maybe I have smooth baby hands.
Whoever touches my slime, this happens to them. Wait.
So yeah, guys,
Wait.
tomorrow I'll be doing the pizza challenge. If my mom lets me.
See, look, this is what happens whenever my friend touch it.
If you
Maybe she has rough hands.
don't think they taste like
Yeah, maybe they
Wait, look. The oddly satisfying video. Don't ruin it again. You just ruined it.
Sorry.
Don't
Okay,
ruin it again. You just ruined it again.
Okay, I'll ruin it. I pick it. Oh. This is my mighty finger I pull out a lot. It's really loose.
I got the fringe for that.
Satisfying. Look.
Yeah, look.
But wait. I'll hold the container close to them, and you put it in.
Okay.
Ah! Give me some.
What? How bad does it look?
Oh shit.
Pause it.
This was a bad idea. So guys, that was a really bad idea. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was such a bad idea. No. Now there's like hair in my slime, but I'm like getting it out. She got hair in my slime.
Yeah. I have to change. But check it out. I never figured out what this thing is.
It's an elephant. Wait, what?
How is that an elephant? It looks like a penguin.
Yeah, guys, this was a bad idea. Oh shit! It got in my Wii.
Look on your wing. Okay, so I'll change into my regular shirt. Never. Oh yeah, not to mention the slime is out. I gotta get my hair away from that.
No. That was creepy because all we see is like the half of your hair, and it's creepy because you look like the Grudge.
Oh, check this out. This is my creepiest look ever. Okay, so look, I need space.
Oh my god! If you just cover your face there, that would be creepy.
I'm watching you.
They just tripped.
Knock me over.
funny
Knock
bone.
me over. Oh, I think you guys